We have here grade 2 thrifty students, pupils of teacher Nelly Dumanay, and we're going to call them one by one to introduce them their names. Okay, what's your name?
Prince Ismail G. Valdez.
Valdez. Okay, have a seat there. Next, come forward.
I'm Ria Blake A.
Louder.
I'm Ria Blake A. Salingubay.
Okay, next.
Mael L. Banito.
Louder.
Mael L. Banito.
Okay.
Chad Timothy Panis.
I cannot hear you.
Chad Timothy Panis.
Okay.
Zaka Still G. Ramos.
Okay. Come on.
Kalay.
Louder.
Kalay.
What's your full name?
YW Chabot.
Okay. Next.
Mark Anthony Jr.
I did not hear you.
Mark Anthony Jr.
Okay, Mark Anthony.
Jaime Artunian Reba.
Okay.
Joseph Portini Montaguda.
Very good. Okay, and you, your name? Okay. Okay. Who is your papa?
Papa Cruz.
Where?
You.
Okay, go there. Next, louder.
May J. Matitan.
Okay, very good. Okay, Estelita. Louder, louder. Don't whisper. Remove your hand. Okay. Okay.
Yuna Chantel J. Calope.
Okay.
Altea Figueiredo.
Okay, Altea.
Arya Dominic Abelio.
Okay.
Altea Cordero.
Very good. Louder.
Rian.
Give me your full name.
Rian Silasero.
Okay. Okay. Remove your mask.
Jemaline.
Remove your mask. Okay, what's your name?
Jemaline Yadra.
Gemaline. Okay.